Welcome back to my channel. Is your hair stuck at the same length no matter what you do? Don't worry, you are not alone. Science shows that over 70% of people face stopped or slowed hair growth. But the good news is, today I'll share powerful, science-backed remedies and secrets that can restart your hair growth, reduce hair fall, and give you thicker, shinier hair, naturally. The science of hair growth. Let's begin with the real science. Hair grows in cycles: anagen phase, growth, catagen phase, transition, and telogen phase, resting. When stress, hormonal imbalance, or nutritional deficiencies hit, your hair gets stuck in the resting phase. That's why growth suddenly stops. But the right remedies and nutrition can push your hair back into the growth cycle. Follicle Activation Mask. This is a supercharged mask that wakes up dormant follicles. 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon black seed, kalonji, powder, 1 tablespoon fresh onion juice, 1 teaspoon castor oil. Mix well and apply on scalp for 30 minutes before washing. Aloe vera soothes, black seeds strengthen, onion boosts collagen, and castor oil thickens hair strands. A complete powerhouse. Anti-shedding herbal rinse. Hair shedding non-stop? Try this rinse. 1 cup green tea, 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds water, 3 to 4 hibiscus flowers boiled. Rinse your scalp with this after shampooing. It reduces shedding, strengthens roots, and makes your hair super soft. Hair thickening oil blend. Here's a secret oil used in many traditional remedies. Heat 1/2 cup coconut oil. Add a handful of curry leaves. Add 1 teaspoon clove oil and 1 teaspoon rosemary oil. Massage your scalp with this twice a week. Rosemary improves circulation, clove prevents thinning, and curry leaves restore scalp health. Growth boosting spray. For daily use, a leave-in spray is a game changer. 1/2 cup fermented rice water. 1 tablespoon ginger juice. 5 drops argan oil. Spray it lightly on your scalp after washing. Rice water improves elasticity, ginger wakes up follicles, and argan oil repairs damage. Deep Nourishment Mask. When your hair looks dull and weak, try this rich mask. 2 tablespoons fenugreek paste, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 teaspoon shea butter, 1 tablespoon black sesame seed powder. Apply for 40 minutes before rinsing. It deeply nourishes, hydrates, and adds shine. The Hair Growth Diet. No remedy will work without the right nutrition. Add foods rich in biotin, vitamin D, B12, zinc, iron, and omega-3s. Think spinach, eggs, walnuts, chia seeds, and salmon. A healthy scalp always starts with a healthy plate. Remember, hair growth is not about one magic ingredient. It's about combining science, natural remedies, and healthy habits. Try these remedies consistently for a few weeks, and you'll see your hair getting stronger, thicker, and growing longer. Which remedy will you try first, the onion mask, the rice water spray, or the oil blend? Comment below and let's grow beautiful hair together. Thank you for watching.